Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Muhammad Amin Marsya bin Muluk. That's it. Saya nikahkan kamu dengan anak saya Marsya binti Karizwan dengan mas kawinnya RM 300 tunai.
Wash over me, leave me far from my surroundings. Take over me, over every only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me. Up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me, fill my lungs with the air your heart is breathing. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance.
2, 3, buka.
Be in the grip of your arms, far from where I know, or to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance. I see you're on to me, and there's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further then the stones appear. The lines all fade in time. Oh, this could be my last chance. Be in the grip of your arms, far from where I know, or to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Pada Aina, Marsya adalah seorang kakak yang Aina tak pernah ada. Sebab Aina ada abang, tak ada pernah ada kakak. So Marsya is like a basic stand to mom. Daripada kecil, Aina seorang yang suka mengaji. Bisa selalu nak pondok. Kita pertama kelas kita sama. Kita makan bersama-sama. Yang mesti tak bersama.
Okay, but the reason to that is because today is truly one of the happiest days of my life.
Saya nikahkan kamu dengan anak saya Marsya binti Karizwan dengan mas kawinnya RM 300 tunai.
Saya terima nikah Marsya binti Karizwan dengan mas kawinnya 300 ringgit tunai.